Friday, November 22nd, 2022. Update on Frank's ElCamino Restoration. He's got the engine out, engine and transmission. I think he said he's going to try to cut these floor pans out and put floor pans in today. Got the engine tore down. It had been running hot 3 or 4 different times, he said. 350, the pistons are stamped 60 over. And somebody can make a comment on this. I have always heard, don't bore 350s out 60 thousandths, that a lot of them, some will fail, some won't. A lot of them, if you bore them 60 over the water jacket, the water will weep through the water jacket. The cylinder walls are too thin and it will weep into the combustion chamber, into the cylinders. That could possibly be the problem. It was full of water, of course, from being in the pond. So, and he said this was a great engine to start with. So there's all of this stuff over there. So we'll keep you updated, see how he's coming along with this, and try to keep up with it a little bit closer than what we did on the Jag. Yeah, like Sherry wants to go back with an automatic. And so he's not sure whether he wants a 350 or do a stroker 383 or go with big block. So he'll have to figure all that out when the time comes. So. Hey, November 26th, Frank bought that truck out there. Had this 5.7 Vortec in it. We've already got it. It was already out. We took the intake off yesterday, just the pure inside of it. Checked one of the plugs. So this is what he's planning on going back with in ElCamino. He got floor plans in, at least one of them the other day. The other one didn't need floor pan. I think it just needed to be straightened out some. But anyway, this will be an update on this. We'll keep you updated as we tear into it, or he tears into it, if I'm around. If not, I'll try to keep it up a little bit better than I did the Jaguar. So that's it for right now.